Moving on, the next category of the evening is Outstanding Company of the Year, celebrating a remarkable legacy of resilience, vision and excellence. This year's winner, Bajaj Auto, has stood the test of time with over 75 years of visionary leadership. May I now invite Mr. Rajiv Bajaj, Managing Director, Bajaj Auto, to join us on stage and accept the award. And let's also unveil the inspiring journey of this year's winner.
Bajaj Group, founded by Jamna Lal Bajaj in 1926, is a symbol of India's resilience and reinvention. Its two- and three-wheelers are lifelines for millions, from bustling cities to rural India. Today, Bajaj exports to Latin America, Africa, Asia and the Middle East, generating $1.7 billion in financial year 2024, holding the #1 spot in 9 of 12 export markets, with over 2 million vehicles sold. A nostalgic brand that innovates. Bajaj introduced Freedom, the world's first CNG two-wheeler, is pioneering ethanol-powered vehicles and ranks third in India's electric scooter market. CNBC TV 18 India Business Leader Awards 2024 proudly presents the Outstanding Company of the Year award to Bajaj Auto.
Ladies and gentlemen, a huge round of applause for Mr. Rajiv Bajaj. Mr. Bajaj, we would love to hear your thoughts on the recognition and your incredible journey.
Good evening, everyone. You will hear my thoughts, but sir, मैं 2 मिनट में नहीं बोल सकता. मैं राहुल बजाज का लड़का हूँ. But thank you, everyone. Thank you first and foremost, all the winners for being such an inspiration. Thank you, the jury, and in particular the jury chairman, Dr. Kalyani, to all of you, but Baba Uncle to me because he's known me since I was in school. Thank you to our honorable ministers. Thank you very much. And of course to CNBC. You gave me my first business interview over 20 years ago. You made me the same award, the CEO of the Year, 12 years ago. And today this, so you're very lucky for me. At some point, if I decide to run for Prime Minister, I'll let you know before I tell anyone else.
First to CNBC TV 18.
Always. But thank you. On behalf of my team of 10,000, I'd like to share with you very quickly what I believe are 3 milestones owing to which I am here today. First, we made the transition from being, if I may call it, a maker of value for money scooters to high-tech motorcycles. I believe that is what set us up to become, by market cap 3 years ago, by far the most valuable 2- and 3-wheeler company in the world, and that value has only appreciated in the last 3 years. Secondly, because we made the transition from being a local company that sold everything in the domestic market to becoming a global company that, as you saw, now exports to 100 countries across the world. It's why we call ourselves the world's favorite Indian, and we are proud to represent our country across the globe and at every level of society there. And finally, because we are now trying to make the transition from the era of fossil fuels to the future of green energy, what started with the CNG three-wheeler moved on to electric scooters and three-wheelers, and as you just saw, we introduced, in fact, Nitinji launched on 5th of July this year, the world's first ever CNG two-wheeler in the form of this motorcycle, the Bajaj Freedom. In fact, one correction, basis what you showed, my son Rishabh, who's here, who's been part of our electric Chetak team for the last 2.5 years, let me know this morning that based on December Vahan registration data, our electric scooter, the Chetak, is now the largest selling, not the third largest, the largest selling electric scooter in the country. So your award could not be better timed. And the message to me is ओला तो ओला है लेकिन चेतक तो शोला है. So, I just close by saying that it was Ralph Nader who said, I want the guys who love to win, and if I can't have them, I want the guys that hate to lose. I am so fortunate I have 10,000 guys who either love to win or hate to lose. I thank God for them and thank you all for encouraging us. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Mr. Rajiv Bajaj, and many congratulations again. We're privileged to have been a witness to your journey and to have played a small part in it. Thank you very, very much for being with us here today. We now request Mr. Ashok Vaswani, the CEO of Kotak Mahindra Bank, and Mr. KVS Manian, the CEO of Federal Bank, to join us here on stage to do the honours along with Mr. Nitin Gadkari. Thank you. Now, ladies and gentlemen, we now pause to honour the lives of remarkable individuals whose work and dedication have left an enduring impact on their fields and beyond. Their contributions have shaped industries and inspired countless others. So let us reflect on their achievements and come together in remembrance. It is time to witness their incredible journeys which have inspired all of us.
Ladies and gentlemen, please join us in a moment of silence to honour their legacy. Ladies and gentlemen, through the presence of these legends, we are deeply missing them. Their work lives on, resonating with us all. Let us honor their memory through these special tributes. We begin with Mr. Narayanan Vaghul, a visionary who transformed India's banking landscape during his leadership at ICICI. We invite his wife, Mrs. Padma Vaghul, to accept this tribute.
Mrs. Vaghul, thank you very much for being with us here to honour the memory of Mr. Vaghul here at the India Business Leader Awards. Thank you.
Thank you, CNBC and Standard Chartered, and thank you all the juries and the eminent people gathered here. I am so grateful to accept this award on behalf of Mr. N. Vaghul.
Thank you, ma'am, so much for joining us here tonight. Thank you so much. Next, we honour Mr. Vineet Nair, the founding CEO of Tech Mahindra. May we now invite his daughter, Ms. Namrata Nair, to accept the honour.
Good evening, everyone. First of all, thank you, Shireen, so very much for inviting us to Bombay on this very, very special occasion. I am delighted to be here this evening to accept this award on behalf of my father, Vineet Nair, who was a very, very special person to all of us. My father was an extraordinary businessman, and he's well remembered for it. He was never one for too many awards. He used to shy away from them. At his heart and core, he was always a philanthropist first. Finally, just a very big thank you again to CNBC and the jury and everyone here, including the sponsors, for making this memory so special to us. It's moments like this that allow us to keep my father's memory alive in our hearts, and it means a lot to me and all of us. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Mrs. Nair.
Much, ma'am.
Next, we honor Mr. Ranjit Shahani, the former Vice Chairman and MD of Novartis. May we have Dr. Indu Shahani, wife of Mr. Ranjit Shahani, on stage to receive this tribute.
Ladies and gentlemen, keep the applause going.
Thank you, CNBC, and thank you, the esteemed jury, for awarding this and celebrating and recognizing Ranjit, my husband, for the visionary leadership and the way he showed to the pharma industry and the healthcare sector in India. I would only say that he was extremely, extremely passionate about what he did, a great humanitarian, and a perfect gentleman. Even being my husband, I would say that because he encouraged me for my teaching profession every stage of my life. And I must say, till the end, even when he was not well, he encouraged me to set up Atlas Skilltech University. So I would say between health and education, he took care of the country. And I would say that, and I would also just like to say that not only was he a very caring husband, but a very caring father, and my daughter-in-law is also here. But most important was a doting grandfather to Saisha, who is 8 years old, and she has said, please tell the audience that she is very proud of her Dadu. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much, Mrs. Shahani and family here who are present here. And now, to accept the honor for Mr. Fali Nariman, the legal luminary, we request his doctor, Dr. Anahita Nariman, to join us here on stage. Dr. Anahita.